Hello my dear friends, welcome. In this video I will explain you how to download Anaconda and how to use it. Okay, so what you have to do is just go to Google and here you can write Anaconda and then download. Okay, Anaconda download. So when you write Anaconda download, you can see this list of all the Anaconda related softwares will get open. Okay, let me close this. Okay, so we have to click on this Anaconda Python R distribution free download. So now when you click on this Anaconda and Python distribution free download, you will see this website and here you can see the Anaconda distribution. Okay, so what exactly Anaconda? It's Python and R. It's used for data science programming for Python and R, and these are all you can see are the libraries basically. Okay, so what you have to do is you can see here when you scroll down, you can see it's available on Windows, Mac and Linux all. So if you are using Windows, just click on Windows and you can select Python 3.7 version. Okay, because this is the latest version, so we will definitely download this one. So you can see 64 and 32-bit, so whatever the system you are using, you can click on that system. For example, I have 64-bit system, so I will use 64 and then save wherever you want to save it. Okay, so now since I already have it, so I will not install it again. Okay, so I downloaded it. Okay, so after downloading, you can go to the place where it is downloaded. So for example, here it is downloaded. So what you have to do is just click on, okay, just right click on this and click on run as administrator. Okay, because this will help Anaconda to install properly into your system. So this is very important. So you can see I made it run as administrator, and when you click on run as administrator, it will start some verification and finally you will get this. Okay, now what you have to do is, now when you click next, okay, you can see this is the agreement. Okay, but obviously generally no one reads this, and this is a open source kind of platform for learning purposes. Okay, so I click on agree and then I'll install for everyone who is using this system. Okay, then next, and whatever the folder you have. Okay, for example, I already have it installed in C, so you can install in C if you are installing it first time, or else you can select any folder which you like. For example, I selected this one. Okay, I randomly selected one a different folder. Okay, so click on next, and now when you click on next, now don't just click on install directly. Okay, why? Because here we have some advanced option and which are very important. Okay, not in the initial levels when you are programming, but as you progress in your learning curve, so you will face such a small problems if you haven't checked this two boxes. So first is add Anaconda to the system path environment variable. Okay, this is important, and then register Anaconda as a system Python 3.7. Okay, so I will check both these files. Okay, so it says a version of 3.7 is already at this, so it's because I already have this installed, that's why it is showing me this. But if you are installing it for the first time, then it won't show you. Okay, if you don't have Python 3.7 installed, then you can easily click here, you can easily check this box. Okay, and when you check this box, just click on install. Okay, so once you click on install, it will start installing. Although you can see here it is written that add Anaconda to path environment variable, it is not recommended. Okay, because they are not recommending this, that you should do, but it is important, believe me. Okay, when you start programming, you will face a problem if you are not able to open the Anaconda prompt. Okay, so click on this and just click on install, and it will be installed in your system. Okay, it will take some while to install. Okay, and when it gets installed, since I have already installed it, so I will not install it again. Okay, so I will quit from here, and once you install, you will find this kind of GUI. Okay, so here you can see all the setups available. Okay, you can install anything that you like. And for data science, if I specifically talk about, so go to the environments. Okay, you have this environments available, all the virtual environments in your system. If you have installed it for the first time, you will find the base root only. Okay, but since I have other environments also, because I'm working here, so in the base root, what you can do is you can see on this side. Okay, on the right hand side, you can see all the libraries that are installed. Now some important libraries that you should install in Anaconda are, for example, if you go to all, okay, you should click on all and click here pandas. Okay, so when you click here pandas, you can see there is a library named as pandas, which says high performance, easy to use, and data structures and data analysis tools. This is basically for the data management when you import export file into the Python in any Excel file, okay, CSV file. So this is a very important package, so you should click here and click on install. For example, if I click on this, I will see an apply button here. Okay, since I already have Panda installed in my system, so I will not install it again because it's showing me a green tick. Okay, then second library that is important for data science and machine learning is scikit-learn. Okay, so when you type SCIK, okay, SCIKIT, you can see this scikit-learn is available here. So you can simply click on this, okay, and click on install if it is not already installed. Generally it is installed directly. Okay, then third you can install is NUMPY, that is NumPy. So you can see here this is NumPy and you can easily install this. So why NumPy? Because NumPy is used to perform the mathematical operations. Okay, then next you can install is matplot lib. Okay, so if you write matplot, you will find this library matplotlib. So matplotlib is basically a Python library which is used for data visualization, for creating graphs. The graphs such as the bar graph, the pie chart, and there's a lot different types of graphs. So all that can be created using matplotlib. Okay, then one more library which you can install is scipy, that is scipy. Okay, now this is also an interesting library. If you install this will help you to perform a lot of mathematical operations, the scientific level mathematics. Okay, so all that can be performed using the scipy. So this is the basic libraries that you will be using when you start your learning from for the machine learning and data science. Okay, so that's all for this video. We have installed the Anaconda navigator, and now after installing all this library you can go to home and check out whatever the ID you want to use. Okay, so I prefer Jupyter Notebook and Spider. These are the two my personal favorites, and RStudio. That RStudio I prefer to install it separately. Okay, for the R programming. For Python and for Python you can use Jupyter Notebook and Spider. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.